U.S. and Israeli forces launch major strikes on Iranian military targets. A dramatic escalation in Middle East tensions unfolded as U.S. and Israeli forces carried out coordinated strikes on key Iranian military facilities. According to officials, critical air defense systems and missile sites were destroyed, marking one of the most significant military actions in the region in recent years. In a powerful show of force, the United States Central Command confirmed that joint operations with Israeli forces targeted multiple Iranian military installations overnight. The strikes reportedly focused on advanced air defense systems and long-range missile infrastructure believed to pose an immediate threat to regional security. The operation, described by military officials as precise and strategic, aimed to weaken Iran's ability to launch retaliatory attacks and to limit its aerial defense capabilities. Satellite imagery and defense briefings indicated that several missile launch facilities and radar installations were hit with high accuracy. Explosions were reported near major military compounds, though the full extent of the damage is still being assessed. The Israel Defense Forces stated that the strikes were conducted in response to what it described as escalating aggression and intelligence suggesting imminent threats. Israeli officials emphasized that their objective was to prevent further destabilization in the region and to protect civilian populations from potential missile attacks. Iranian authorities acknowledged explosions at military sites but accused Washington and Tel Aviv of provoking a wider conflict. Tehran warned that any continued aggression would be met with a decisive and proportionate response, heightening fears of a broader regional confrontation. Defense analysts say the destruction of air defense systems could significantly impact Iran's strategic posture by neutralizing radar networks and surface-to-air missile batteries. The joint forces may have opened the door for further aerial operations if tensions continue to rise. At the same time, experts caution that such actions risk triggering retaliation through allied groups across the region. Global markets reacted swiftly to the news. Oil prices surged amid concerns about potential disruptions in supply routes, particularly through the Strait of Hormuz. Diplomatic channels have reportedly been activated, with several world powers urging restraint and calling for immediate de-escalation. The strikes come amid weeks of mounting tensions, including cross-border incidents and threats exchanged between regional actors. Military presence in surrounding areas had already been reinforced, signaling preparation for possible escalation. The latest operation now marks a turning point that could redefine the security landscape of the Middle East. As the situation develops, international observers are closely monitoring Iran's next move. Whether this operation serves as a deterrent or ignites a prolonged confrontation remains uncertain. For now, the region stands on edge, with global leaders calling for calm while preparing for any outcome.